Hello class 7. This is the continuation part of your previous video. We have completed up to the first paragraph of the chapter number 6. And I am going to start from the second paragraph of the chapter number 6 from your English Rapid book. Now, we have seen that there was a man, a pleasant looking man. He came near to that means Michael Henchard's place, and he was not interested about the agenda, what was going on between Michael Henchard, that means the mayor, and some other people. When he was about to leave, he heard the word corn, so he was standing there and he was listening what was going on. And after some time, he wrote something in a paper and he told a waiter to give it to the mayor. So now we are going to see what was happening over there. So I know you have the book, and please take it out and turn to page number 23. There we will be starting with the second paragraph. Elizabeth Jane saw him and watched him. From his accent, she knew he was not from the region. He was from the north, perhaps from Scotland. So Elizabeth Jane was looking at the man, that means the pleasant looking man, okay, and she could understand the man was not from the place only. He was because of his accent, because of his pronunciation, okay. So she could understand that the man was not from the place. Maybe he was from the north, the place from the north, maybe from Scotland, okay. You know that England is actually, the north of England is another country that is called Scotland. So that is why it's saying that maybe the man was from north. So it is this Casterbridge is in England, and from north means here that's Scotland, okay. The young man asked the waiter if he could recommend a reasonably priced hotel. The waiter recommended 3 mariners. So what happened? The young man asked the waiter. The young man gave the paper to the waiter. Also, he asked that if the waiter could suggest a good hotel with a reasonable price. So the waiter told that there was a hotel like that, and the name of the hotel was 3 Mariners. The man went on towards the 3 Mariners. Elizabeth Jane watched the waiter take the note to the mayor. Henchard read it with attention and began to think. While the other men chatted, relaxed, Henchard sat up thinking. What happened? The man went on towards the 3 Mariners. That means the pleasant looking man, he went to the 3 Mariners. That means he went to the hotel. Elizabeth Jane watched the waiter take the note to the mayor. So Elizabeth Jane was also there, and she noticed that the waiter who got the note of that man, okay. So the waiter gave that the note to the mayor. That means Henchard. Henchard read it with attention and began to think. Henchard wrote the note. That means he actually read the note, and after that, what did he do? He was thinking. While the other men chatted, relaxed, Henchard sat up thinking. Other people were chatting, they were gossiping with each other, but on the other hand, we can see Henchard was not like that. Henchard was actually thinking about some matter, okay. When the clock struck 9, Elizabeth Jane asked her mother what they would do thereafter. When at the time of 9 o'clock, Elizabeth Jane asked her mother about what to do next. Her mother surprised her. All she wanted a resting place, since she had seen Mr. Henchard. She said that was all she had wanted. It fell on Elizabeth Jane to find lodging and she thought of the three mariners. What happened? So whenever at the time when Suzanne got noticed that there was Michael Henchard, from that moment onwards she was not feeling well, because maybe she was remembering his bygone days and everything. So she was not feeling well, so she told her daughter that she wanted to rest, and her daughter also said that okay, and they were moving to another place. And when they were moving, Elizabeth Jane remembered the place, okay, the reasonable hotel which was told by the waiter to that pleasant man. So she remembered that and she went to that Three Mariners Hotel. Okay. They left, the mayor observed in what the note said. Although Suzanne and Elizabeth Jane had left by then, he came out and saw the waiter. So what happened that Elizabeth Jane and her mother Suzanne, they understood and they witnessed that Mayor, that means Henchard, was very much thinking about something after reading the note. Okay, so they understood something was going on, but Elizabeth Jane and Suzanne had to leave the place and they went to the hotel. And they also understood that that Michael Henchard was in deep thinking when the waiter came out, and after that Michael Henchard was very much engulfed in the note. Okay, he asked him who had sent the note. The waiter recalled a young tourist. The waiter informed that the man was probably at the Three Mariners. So when Michael Henchard got the note, he was very much thinking about something, and the waiter was there just in front of Michael Henchard. And Michael Henchard also questioned the waiter that who had given this note. So the waiter told that there was a man, maybe he was a tourist, because he was not looking like a man who belonged to that place. Maybe he was a tourist and he came to that place and he gave that note to him and he told to give it to the mayor. The waiter informed the man also probably in the Three Mariners. That means the waiter also informed Michael Henchard that maybe that tourist, maybe the man took shelter in the hotel which called the Three Mariners. Henchard paced the vestibule thinking over the new idea. He noticed that the others at the banquet were so busy with the celebrations that they had almost forgotten him. Henchard paced the vestibule. Vestibules means a small alley, or you can say entrance. Okay, when we entered into a room or something like that, there should be a short alley or short entrance, that is called vestibule. Okay, so Michael Henchard was walking in the that means that place, and he was thinking about something. He noticed that the others at the banquet were so busy. Michael Henchard noticed that some other people were there and they were so much busy in them, and in the celebrations also, and almost he was forgotten by everyone. Okay, the mayor left. About 100 years away was the Three Mariners. The gabled house, built of sandstone, had a bay window jutting into the street. Michael Henchard, he just left the place, he left the banquet, and then what did he do? He went to that Three Mariners. Three Mariners was the hotel, and it was not very far away from the place. He went there, and the hotel was actually, it's a it was built of sand stone, and it looked like a nice place, and it looked like a place which just extended into the street. Henchard outside the inn for a while, then he buttoned the coat over his fancy shirt so as not to look too conspicuous and entered the inn barely 20 minutes after the two women. What happened? So we can see that Michael Henchard, who went to Three Mariners and then he just waited for some time before the entered into the inn. He was waited outside, and then after some time he just buttoned his coat and everything, and that means he made himself ready, and then he entered into the the inn. And what happened? And the two women, that means Susan and Elizabeth Jane, both of them were also in the way.